Hello and welcome to this short video on Quality Experts. This is Module 11 in our course Introduction to Quality Concepts. The aims of this training are to introduce you to some of the greatest experts that were involved in developing quality to what it is today. The first has to be W. Edwards Deming. In 1987, Deming produced a set of 14 management principles, and they can be summarized as follows. He stated, with suppliers, you should choose the most reliable and not the cheapest, and also to reduce the amount of suppliers that you have. With training, he recommended training on the job. It was important to train employees in simple statistics and to always continuously retrain. With quality, he stated it was important to provide statistical evidence of process control, to look for faults in the system but not in individual performance, and to eliminate numerical production goals. Deming also felt that it was important to nurture a culture, to drive out fear, to break down barriers right across departments, and to think long-term. The second of our quality experts is Joseph Juran. Now, he defined quality as being the fitness for use. In his work, he greatly emphasized the focus on the human element, the need to organize, communicate, and coordinate. He felt that 80% of quality problems were actually caused by management, and therefore all management should be trained in quality. Juran also suggested 3 basic steps to progress, and these are termed the Juran trilogy. Number 1, it was important to have structured annual improvements. This means a structured approach towards improvements in a business that had an annual cycle. He felt it was important to have massive training programs and that senior management showed leadership in quality. Armand Feigenbaum, the third of our experts. Now, he originated the term total quality control, the need to involve all parts of an organization in a systematic approach to quality. He stressed the importance of calculating the costs of non-quality and the need for a right first time attitude. Armand Feigenbaum also believed that the responsibility for quality is with the individual employee, but top management must develop a long-term and clear management approach that staff can understand and commit themselves to. Now, Walter Shewhart, he was one of the Bell Company quality experts. He is responsible for many of the theories and the fundamental theories in statistical process control, SPC. He was the one who developed the first control chart. He also developed concepts on the statistical ideas behind tolerance intervals, and he also created the first PDCA cycle, Plan, Do, Check and Act cycle. Now, Philip Crosby, he was an American physicist who was best known for his work on zero defects. In other words, that all processes should have the aim of producing 0 defects. His concepts focused on the 4 absolutes of quality, and they are that the definition of quality is conformance to requirements, that the quality system is concerned with prevention and ensuring right first time production. He defined that the measure of quality is the price of non-conformance, in other words, not getting the quality right first time, and the standard to be used in performance is 0 defects. Now, Ishikawa was a student of Deming's from Japan. He stressed the need for everyone to be part of the quality improvement process, quality being the concern of all. He advocated the use of simple statistical methods and problem-solving tools. He pioneered the use of quality circles in quality improvement and the fishbone or cause and effect diagramming or analysis technique. So finally, although they had their differences, the fundamental messages were always the same. Quality is simply the concern of everyone. Top management must provide leadership. Quality improvements require a systematic approach. all felt that people require training in quality systems and methods, and quality improvements require a quality culture. And finally, it is management's responsibility to create the conditions for the development of a quality culture. We are now at the end of the video. We hope that you found this beneficial. Thank you for your time. The best of luck.